I'll put it up a fire alarm.
Yeah, Vron, put up a fire alarm.
Oh no, it's Principal my talking Tom.
Lynn, how dare you the fire alarm? That's it. You are expelled in 6 months. Go home now.
Lynn, it's Principal my talking Tom. You're staying there 6 months. That's it. You are grounded. You are grounded 10 months, which means no computer, no video games, no YouTube, no fast food faces or more. Go upstairs room now. You're shaking yourself.
No. I said it because the fire alarm is such a bad idea. It has no one to do. Well, I guess the neon stayed there. I couldn't even go to school. Well, I guess I'm going to sleep well and say you yourself.